Is Flippa safe in 2026, or am I about to get scammed? That's the question I get all the time, and I'm breaking it all down in this mini review. First, let's get one thing straight. Flippa isn't a scam. It's been around for years and helped buyers and sellers move over $150 million in online business deals. But just because the platform is legit doesn't mean every listing is. Here's how Flippa is stepping up its game in 2026. Instead of those sketchy screenshots of earnings and traffic, Flippa now pulls real-time data directly from platforms like Google Analytics, Shopify, Stripe, even Amazon. No more faking the numbers. They've also rolled out strict identity checks. Both buyers and sellers have to verify their government ID and phone. And every transaction uses escrow.com, so your money only moves when you've actually received what you paid for. That's a big deal. Plus, if you're buying a money-making website, know that Flippa's team does a 25-point manual review before a listing even goes live. It's not foolproof, but it's a solid extra layer of protection. But I've got to be real with you. Bad actors still sneak through. Watch out for sudden traffic spikes, especially if they come right before a sale. Those are usually fake. And if you see a starter site promising big returns, it's probably just a cheap template. Finally, if a seller refuses to do a quick live screen share of their dashboard, major red flag. In terms of fees, expect to pay anywhere from $29 up to $699 to list, and a success fee ranging from 5% to 10% based on your sale price. So, is Flippa safe in 2026? Yes, but only if you stay sharp, ask questions, and never skip your own research. Happy hunting!